Hello and welcome to Model Minutes and the 7th episode of Subscriber Showcase, the series where you get to show off your modelling skills and current projects to the rest of the community. So with no further ado, let's get started. First up we have a Hurricane Mk1 in 1/72nd scale from Emil. It's been built from the Revell kit in a D-Day paint scheme. This looks like a great kit from Revell with fine details and good moulded panel lines, and I'm particularly impressed with the paintwork in this finished kit, especially the invasion stripes, as they can be hard to get right. You may be able to notice that some subtle weathering has been added to the model and it looks great. Thanks to Emil for sharing this awesome build with us, and you can see more of his builds on his YouTube channel, which I'll link below this video. Now, for the next model, we're advancing into the jet age with an F86 Sabre in 1/72nd scale from the Airfix kit and built by Nicholas. Whilst we take a look at the finished kit, this is what he has to say about the model. This is the most recent tooling of the Sabre by Airfix, which was released in 2010. The version that I built is Major John H. Glenn's MkIIc Marine. I think that this tooling is one of the best in market. I bought it around €15 in Athens, Greece. The surface details are crisp with nice engraved panel lines. I wish it had some rivets though, like some of the most recent Airfix toolings. The build was enjoyable and very easy. I finished it within a week. The parts fit together easily without the use of filler or any kind of putty. The cockpit was simple, lacking some details, so I decided to add some seat belts using aluminium foil just to make it more interesting. The decals were perfect with virtually no silvering. I hand brushed the model using Molac enamel aluminium, which turned out to be a disappointment as it looks more close to a satin grey rather than aluminium. He wishes that he'd used a Humbrol 11 or 191. He highly recommends this kit for beginners in jet models, and it looks like a great finished kit by Nicholas, and I'm particularly impressed with the fine paintwork on this model, but like he says, it's not as metallic as he'd hoped. Still, it's a fantastic build, and I'm tempted to get one myself if I can get similar results. Thanks go to Nicholas for sharing this excellent build with us. And moving on to the last model for this episode, we've got a 1/72nd Hasegawa F4U 1D Corsair. This was submitted by Darrin, who is also known as the Grumpy Modeler. Darrin has his own YouTube channel and a Facebook group which I frequent occasionally, both of which I'll link under this video. Darrin has this to say about his kit. I don't usually build in 1/72nd scale, but this was a really fun build for me. It has really made me appreciate the level of skill that it takes to work in such a scale. The subject is a FG-1D from the Salvadorian Air Force circa 1956. This looks like a great model with an unusual paint scheme. It's certainly something I wasn't aware of until I received the pictures by email. Darrin has finished this model with a fine paint job and some subtle weathering to bring out the details in this kit. Don't forget to check out his YouTube channel for more great builds. Thanks go to Darrin, aka the Grumpy Modeler, and all the other modelers who've submitted so far. As always, feel free to let them know what you think of their kits and builds in the comments below. And don't forget that there are 3 easy steps to get involved with this series and have your work displayed to the rest of the community. Number 1, subscribe to my channel. Number 2, email modelminutes@hotmail.com any high quality pictures, video, text or audio of your work. And number 3, wait for the video featuring your work to go live. Don't forget to send me your links, YouTube channels, Twitter, etc. so I can include them in the videos. All that's left to say is thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed it. Subscribe in order to see more content and help support the channel, and feel free to connect with me on social media. I'm on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. See you all again next time.